doing now is just staking out this whole driveway here that's going to get cut, walking it with the homeowner. Old T-Royd's out here. Got our bulldozer over here with the plow blade on it. We're going to be cutting in this whole driveway with. You know, thanks Polaris for bringing us our bulldozer out. A little poly plow on it.
Snap right off.
But you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see the flags here. It's going to basically loop up around here, reconnect back to itself behind us, and then keep rolling out. fill over here too from the digging the pool and put it in there as well.
So the grass, strip the grass, make a separate pile, and we'll haul that out.
Well, we'll leave it here probably. We can either pile it over there or kind of do some piles on the sides of the driveway, or just, I say piles, like more of like little, like longer berms so it looks decent because it might be here a couple weeks.
I just don't want grass in the stuff that we're gonna have to kind of like smear off the edges and smooth down, so it's gonna bump up and it's not gonna.
Well, it doesn't need to be perfect, because what they're gonna do, I think, is have we're gonna have like 4 feet off each end of the driveway. That's gonna be like grass again, like he's got over here, and everything else is gonna turn to prairie. Once we get what gravel we can out of that driveway, and if it's not good gravel, it's not good gravel, we'll just get rid of it, or just leave it at the bottom, and then we're gonna kind of take the grass on each end of that driveway, the dirt, and just kind of throw it into the bowl and just smear off that whole driveway, because that's gonna turn the prairie all the way to the property line. I don't know where the gas line is here. I assume it's over there with everything else, but they haven't marked it yet, obviously.
back.